Hello guys, and welcome to episode 2 of our Discord bot tutorials. Today we're going to be doing a moderation command. First part of our moderation series is going to be the command clear. It's going to delete messages out of a channel up to 100 because of issues with Discord's API. You can grab up to that many and you can delete them. So we're going to get started from here and see what we can't figure out. So to start off, we're going to do our message.delete. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to do if message.member.has permission, because this is going to check the permissions of the command author. And if they don't have the permission, let's say kick members. They can kick people they can clear channel messages to. I think that's fair enough, right? Return message.reply. You do not have permission to use this command. So basically what this does is, let's just go ahead and delete the message as well. m.delete timeout. I'm going to set the timeout to 10,000. Let's zoom out a little bit. All right. So if the message.author, if the message member, which is the author, does not, with that exclamation point in there, have permission to kick members, it'll return and it'll send, you don't have permissions to use this command. Then it'll delete this message that it sends to the channel after 10 seconds. So once we do that, we're going to get started with let's say clear amount. I think that's a good term. There you go. Let variable clear amount equal args 0. Basically what that's saying is our number that we put after the clear command is going to be the amount of messages we clear out of that channel. So if clear amount, actually let's do this, if is not a number, clear amount, return message.reply, please do a number value to clear. Let's do that. And we're going to then m.delete. We're going to do timeout 10,000. So what this does is it says if the clear amount what we put after the clear is not a number, it'll return and say do a number value, then delete it for 10 seconds. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do if, let's see, let's skip that if. I don't think we can do an await, we don't have an async. Okay, so we're going to do message.channel.bulk delete clear amount. But first, we're going to do, we do have an async, so we can do an await. Ta-da, yes. Okay, cool deal. What we're going to do is we're going to do if clear amount is greater than or equal to 100, clear amount equals 99. So let's see, parameter collection snowflake number. This is not an assignable or type of number. All right, so it's just saying that because it doesn't know. So once we do that, we can do a we gotta send a message in the channel saying we're gonna be cleaning it. Message.channel.start typing. We're going to go ahead and put that above this. We'll skip that. That'll be for a later command, or we might update this command down the line and add a little bit of a feature in there for start typing methods and stuff. We're going to do we're going to do an await message.channel.send. Then we're going to do, let's pick out an emoji. So we're going to go over to our Discord. Go over here. We're going to do bot commands. Let's do warning. We do backs, look at that, and there we go. Copy that right there. We're doing sanitizing, just because, you know, it's that time of the season, right? Please wait before typing. And we'll place the emoji again. Perfect. Now, we'll do dot then msg dot delete timeout. We're not gonna do that much. Let's do like a 3 second timer. This should do our clear command, and we might add a few other things in here. Wrong bot. Let's go over here and let's start up the bot. How about that? Tutorial bot. Let's go in here, cmd node index.js. Tutorial bot is online. So one thing I'm going to do is, because I have changed the I have my regular Oblivion bot in the Discord, I'm going to have to change the config. That's small. So that's supposed to be my ID, but I'll fix that. So we're going to go ahead and just do a period. I think that'll be fine. Let's do cmd node index.js. Tutorial bot is online. We're going to grab our Discord. We're going to come over here and let's do exclamation period clear 3. Oh, we have an issue. Okay. What does it say? Missing permissions. Oh, that means the bot is missing permissions. Alright, no problem. Let's see here. Let's go over there and see what we can get for why the bot doesn't have permission. Tutorial bot. Oh, we're just going to check the give administrator just for right now. So now we're going to do so the bot is still online. We're good. We're going to do a clear 5. Perfect. Let's stretch that message out. If you didn't see it, clear 5. See, there we go. Yeah, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe on the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up as well. I need all the support I can get. Also, make sure you invite your friends. If you can, go into the information channel on my Discord, and there is a link to my just released beta version of my first public bot. It has everything from moderation, sticky message systems, to everything like that. So again, make sure you join the Discord, like the video, you know, help out here and there. If you want to become a beta tester and help me out during some of my videos, let me know in the comments below, and hopefully I'll choose one by the next time I film. Alright, we'll see you next time.